Everyone, so this is the summary of the poem Funeral Blues Stop All the Clocks by W.H. Auden. So these are the important points. This poem was published in 1938. In this poem, the speaker mourns the death of a loved one. He feels disappointed as the daily activities of people keep on going without being affected by the speaker's loss of someone very important to him. The speaker finds himself alone and isolated in lamenting the death of the loved one. So, this is the text of the poem. Stop all the clocks, cut off the telephone, prevent the dog from barking with the juicy bone, silence the pianos and with muffled drum, bring out the coffin, let the mourners come. Let aeroplanes circle, mourning overhead, scribbling on the sky the message he is dead. Put crape bows around the white necks of the public doves. Let the traffic policemen wear black cotton gloves. So, when the poem opens, the speaker makes a request to stop all the clocks, to turn off the telephone, and to give a juicy bone to a dog so that it can stop barking. Actually, the speaker wants everyone to mourn the loss of his loved one. He is heartbroken and disappointed to see people's indifference towards his loss. He expects a public funeral for his friend. He wants to stop all the pianos so that coffin can be brought out to the people who are mourning the death of his friend, accompanying a calm drum. Next, the speaker expects an aeroplane to fly over them and write the words as he is dead in the sky. Next, he wants white pigeons to wear black bands around their necks. He also wants traffic policemen to wear black gloves to mourn the death of his friend. He was my north, he was my south, my east and west, my working week and my Sunday rest, my noon, my midnight, my talk, my song. I thought that love would last forever. I was wrong. The stars are not wanted now. Put out everyone. Pack up the moon and dismantle the sun. Pour away the ocean and sweep up the wood. For nothing now can ever come to any good. So, in these lines, the speaker wants to make his loss as universal and he wants everyone to participate in his grief. Okay. And in the next line, the speaker says that his dead friend was everything to him. He was his north, his south, his west, his east, his working week, as well as his Sunday rest. This man was his noon, his midnight, whatever he spoke, whatever he sang, he was always there. Actually, the speaker wants other people to acknowledge the pain and the trauma, of the speaker at the loss of his loved one. Next, he says that he had thought that their love would never come to an end, but that proved wrong because his friend died early. In the last line, the speaker expects the entire nature to mourn the death of his friend. He wants stars to disappear, moon and sun to extinguish their light. Next, he says that even sea and forests are not needed to him. He finally ends the poem by saying that nothing good can ever happen again because his loved one is no more. And here the poem